You see, it's quite a big box, but that's not that big of a deal. It's protested, whatever that means. I don't think that's an actual, um, yeah, thing that you can earn, but whatever. So I would say we dive into this box and check it out. So let's see what we are having here. So the first what we see is nice presentation here, for sure. And let's see what is actually in here. So we got two clippers, trimmers, whatever we want to call them. Then we also get quite some head pieces and some other goodies, as you see. So let's check them out. There's more. There's a column. What's that down here? Okay, that's like a bag to store it in. I guess that makes kind of sense. So let's put this box aside and dive into this box. Check that out. So we got this and that one. So we got a little one and a bigger one. Obviously one is more for trimming and fine cuts and tunes, and the other one is for like actually proper hair and stuff, I assume. And as you see, made quite well. Nothing to really complain about here. Solid, nice material, and all in all, definitely worth the money, I think. Feels pretty solid, like the handle as well. And also we get some nice presentation down here with the LED lighting, which tells us how much battery is left. So right now it's at 100, which is good, but also what I would assume when we just open that up. And otherwise, definitely seems good. We got a couple programs we can choose from, and also here, nice covers to protect the blade when we don't use it. So yeah, same thing over here. Big blade, nice cover, nice protection, and we can release this as well to get a closer grip with the blade. Yeah, I don't think I can really find anything super bad I can tell you about, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but yeah, I'm curious. So I would say we should just dive into it and check that out as well. So let's put this back on here, and then I will, yeah, I will give a try on that one here. I will try and trim some of my arm hair and see how well that actually goes and what it does. So let's go right over, just trying to get a focus here so you can actually see what's happening. And oh yeah, there's a lot of hair flying around. Definitely, ooh, wow, really clean, really good shave here. Like there's nothing at all left. Like really well. Wow, feels really soft too. Gotta say, more than I expected here, for sure. And compared to the rest of my skin, you can see my hair was pretty long. Took that all off like a champ, and yeah, I think it works quite well. I'm not gonna lie. Um, and yeah, the more you go over, the better it gets. Even the little ones are getting taken care of. So really precise and clean shave that's possible here. And yeah, I can't complain at all. So right now, I would just say that yeah, it's definitely worth it. Um, and let me put it this way, I think both of them are a solid combination here. You get a good set, and for now I will call it a day. I will see you in the next video, and I'm Badger, and I hope you got a good day ahead of you. I will see you in the next video, so take care, you guys. Bye.